use, I don't want to use. It is part of our day-to-day life. So that I say AI is not optional anymore, but it is normal. Devs who use AI will finish first. Yeah, for but those that's for those that like have the basic knowledge of what you want to do. You get if you want to use AI, you must have at least basic knowledge of what you want to do so you can finish fast and to be easier for you. So next slide. What does AI first really mean? AI is now your smart helper and not just your autocomplete. We're talking of AI, we're not just you're not just say, okay, AI is like okay, any complete or no, 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 it's your smart helper. You tell AI what to do, just like your boss, you get, and decide what is good or bad. You get. So yeah, don't have like tell AI, okay, let me do this, let me do this, let me do this. And once they give you the result, you don't have like, okay, no, don't do it this way, don't do it this way, do it that other way too. So it's not like you get AI and what's right for you. So we have the old way of doing things and the new way of doing things in this AI era now. The old way is you think a lot, you type every line of code yourself, you find and fix bug, and it's kind of very slow because even you trying to like look for a bug is kind of take time. Or if you have been assigned to like a code base that you're not doing write it yourself, for you to like understand it and everything, it might take you time. But with AI now, which is AI ways, you can explain what you want clearly. You can just copy the code, paste it on AI, and AI will explain everything so you can like save time. AI will write most of the code for you. You check and fix small things, and it will also make it more faster. You still think, but you are more smarter and more earlier too. So the most important thing or the most important new skill is good instruction. It's just more like prompt engineering tool. So AI gives you answer only if you explain well. What this one is trying to say is there's one between you telling an AI, okay, let me create a login system. It's different from let me create a responsive login system that have form control. The prompt you have from the two is going to be different. And the second prompt is actually going to be better because you are more specific on what you want. You want it to be responsive. One, you also want it to also have prompt control, meaning if the user like try to submit, it's not an email, if you tell them, okay, no, input an email, this password must not be more than this or that. So it was learn to like tell AI or explain what you want to AI very well. As you say, clear instruction is equal to base code from AI and bad instruction is equal to wrong code or extra work. So if you want to use AI, you must have to okay, must know how to like give a good instruction to AI. This is what I want. This is what I want. This is what I want. And if you give this clear instruction, it's going to give you exactly what you want. But if you give it wrong instruction or you do not explain it very well, it should give you what you want, but it might not really give you the exact thing you want, which you also like in the long run, you might actually even spend more time trying to fix or debug your code, all because you didn't give it the correct instruction. So good instruction is just like AI acting like a senior developer. Once you give it a good instruction, it helps you deliver your tasks correctly. Simple ways to talk better to AI. Pretend like role. You can tell AI you are a senior developer. This is just an example. Like you pretend as you also okay, AI, I'm a senior developer has been come and I want to do this, and this. It will help you like okay, generate what you want. You can show example, okay, like give it okay, do it like this, don't do it like this, do it like this, if you do it like this, it may come out with this way. Also help you like giving the right this instruction. Let AI ask question. There's one thing I used to do, which shall also like employ me. Anytime I'm trying to right, like I'm trying to use AI for my code and everything now. One thing I used to do is I do tell it, okay, do you understand what I'm trying to tell you? You get, is there any other extra thing you want me to like to add? Or is there anything you're not clear about? You get, and if there is none, then you can go ahead to write the code. But if there is still anything you're not clear about, just let me know. And I will answer the question for AI first. And then just to make sure me and AI are like on the same page before it's go ahead. So step by step AI process. Number one, you say clearly what you want. Okay, this and this is what I want exactly. You get, you state it clearly. Okay, this and this is what I want AI suggests code and you plan. AI can suggest, okay, let us do it this way, let us do it this way, let us do it this way. I can tell you to suggest multiple ways you can go about it or alternatives. Then you be drawn to like, okay, let's just go with this one. Always check what AI writes for you. You don't just copy and paste and okay, no. That I say you have to like have the basic knowledge about what first. So once AI like okay, give you a code, you could also check it to okay, is this code correct? Okay, let us fix it in this place. Test if it works before you save. Yeah, that one's also opinion. Never use code you don't understand. This is very, very important. This is very, very important. Don't just copy code. Okay, if you know that. Even if AI generates the code for you, you can even tell it that okay, explain this code first, and you will read it first so you can like understand what the code is all about before you use it. Helpful tools to try in 2026. We have Cursor, we have Claude, we have GitHub Pilot, and we have ChatGPT and other AI tools we can use in 2026. So, what are the real dangers in using AI? Number one, using AI too much allows you to forget the basic things. Most especially if you just copy and paste, you don't try to read what AI generates for you. Just copy the code, you paste it like that. You will like from time to time you will forget this thing, the basics. Trusting AI 100% in box reason. Yeah, you have to trust AI, but not 100% because even you have to like do your debugging yourself too. Bad instruction will also like give you a lot of AI mistakes and everything. And if you give you bad instruction, you have a lot of error, and you have a lot of error. It also consumes most of your time too. The time you are meant to like finish up, you might later end up trying to fix the bug. So AI makes good dev better and weak dev worse. So for you to be a good dev, you have to like understand the basic one. You also have to like know how to use AI by giving it the correct instruction. And once you have this tool, trust me, you are going to be like you will like use AI to do anything you want. But if number one you don't understand the basics and you don't know how to even give it correct instruction, I'm sorry, AI will actually like give you a lot of mistakes and everything. So how to keep getting better? Always read and understand AI code. I've mentioned that one before. You read the code. If you don't understand, you can tell the AI to explain the code for you before you copy and paste. Don't just copy and paste and they run it. No, you have to like understand the code it generates for you. Ask, why does this work? Why does this not work? Always ask questions. Sometimes write code yourself. Yeah, around 2 years. Sometimes it's not every time you use AI. Once in a while, you can also like okay, or you want to make one or two changes, you can just like okay, do it yourself too. Also keep learning normal coding too. That's like you keep on watching tutorials, you keep on doing your personal development just to like yeah, keep you updated and everything. Using AI to help you grow and not to replace you. Use AI to grow and make things faster. So what to do this week? You can try one simple way to talk to AI better. You can like try giving it prompts, giving it different prompts. You get okay, and see the way it replies. You get so you can know okay. Once you want to work on the project, this is how you like tell the AI and you know okay, you expect this kind of prompts. Write short notes explaining your tasks. You can also do that as context.mp. Also use AI on one small real life project or one small real life project. You can start with real life project on a small and try to like use AI. Okay, give it this prompt. See how it's going to like give the response it's going to give you, and you keep on learning like that. Check everything AI give you. I've mentioned down. You can also tell us on Slack what works and what didn't work. So you start small and you finish faster and you grow quicker. So that's bring me to the end of my presentation. I was trying to like rush as everything as quick as possible because of our time. So does anyone have any question before I proceed with my question? Can you still hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
So I want to ask, does anyone have any question first? Okay. It seems there is no question. So let me proceed with my question. Have you ever tried AI for coding yet? And if yes, how was it? Tell us your experience. How was it? Anybody want to answer my question? Can anybody hear me? Or am I going to have to like still let myself? Okay, what's the question again? Have you ever tried have you ever tried AI for coding yet? And how was it? Have you like used AI to code anything before? And can you tell us your experience? Does anybody want to answer that? Is there anybody that wants to answer that?
Yes, good morning.
Okay, good
Hello.
morning. I can hear you.
Yes, I've also used AI to code. So I use ChatGPT to code. That period I was trying to apply NumPy in Python. So the code it generated for me was old code. So a particular syntax is missing. So I have to go back to the normal platform of generating the code and now try to see if I could get and immediately I notify AI, it quickly updated it. So that is my experience with it.
Okay, thank you very much. So to my second question, what is hard for you with AI right now? Like any challenges or anything that is giving you like problem anytime you're using AI?
Yes,
Does
thank you.
anybody want to?
Yes,
Yeah,
let me answer that please.
okay.
Though I'm in project management presently, so and based on my research, AI is likely to take over project management in the nearest future, as you can see. So um, my fear now is what should we prepare ahead of that time, or how should we handle AI now coupling with the fear of what's likely to happen in future if AI finally take over.
Okay. Well, to my own knowledge, I don't think AI is going to take jobs like that completely. You get,
Okay.
but you
Yes.
can just keep on like upskilling, like keep on learning, keep on getting better, and also like keep on diversifying, like know one or two other aspects too. You get so you can
Yes.
move from a project manager, you can also like transit to another aspect in tech. You
Yes.
get,
I agree completely.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, thanks. Okay, back Oliver, please, you can talk now.
Yeah, good morning, everyone.
Yeah, good man.
Yeah, so the question Shofela Sharafaddin asked, I think if you are into project management and you are scared if AI could take up your roles, then as Emmanuel said, you can upskill by learning AI or becoming AI product manager. Because once you have AI knowledge, you know how to prompt AI very well. You can do some of the things that developers can do using AI. Then no one will replace your job, and AI will not take over your job. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for that. Osondru, you're raising up your hand. You can talk now.
Okay, yeah, good morning, everyone. Yeah, regarding to your question, if anyone have used AI for coding. So yeah, my experience, I sometimes I understand about AI. Just like you said, you must have the basic knowledge of what you want to do. So, for example, I'm in DevOps team. Sometimes I'm using AI to generate code. I want to install some machine, some dependency in my machine. I found out that if I do not specify the version of what I want to install that goes in line with other things, so you see that AI will not be specific. It would to just gather different versions and join it together. Then when I want to run it, we begin to find out errors, or it will not work well because I do not use the correct version of what I want to use. So the main thing there is we are going to understand the basic thing that I want to do and specify it to AI so that it can give us the correct version of what we want to install. That's the experience I gathered while using AI. Thank you. I hope you can hear me.
Yeah, we can. Our time is fast spent. Emmanuel, are you done?
Yeah,
Hello, Emmanuel.
I'm done. Yeah, so I think we have to like end the section because of our time.
Yes, everyone needs to join stand up. All
Yeah.
right, thank you so much, everyone.
Yes.
Let's join our stand up. Thank you for joining. Bye
All right.
for now.